Hello children, I am letter M. Today you learned about me and my object. I am a mask. M for mask. I am milk. M for milk. I am a monkey. M for monkey. This is mirror. M for mirror.
I am a mountain. M for mountain.
This is a map. M for map. I am a motorcycle. M for motorcycle. Children, now your teacher will explain you more about us.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Today we learned a new and exciting letter, the letter M. This letter helps us learn many new words we see around us every day. Now we learn letter M and their object. Look at the page. This is a spider mask, M for mask. We wear it for fun and dressing up. This is milk. We drink milk to stay healthy and strong. Milk helps our body grow strong and gives us energy. This is a monkey. M for monkey. A monkey is an animal that loves to jump, climb and play. This is a mirror. We use a mirror to see ourselves. We use a mirror to see our face and get ready. M for mirror. This is a mountain. M for mountain. A mountain is a very high land with rocks and sometimes snow on the top. This is a map. M for map. A map helps us find places and know where we are. This is a motorcycle. M for motorcycle. It helps us travel from one place to another.
So, hello children, I am going to the upside. Hello children, I am going down.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Today we are going to learn about up and down. Children, look at the page and observe these picture and thumb icons. Children, when we move towards the top, we say it is up. Look at the boy, he is going up the stairs. Children, when we move towards the bottom, we say it is down. Now look carefully, the boy is going down. Up means going higher and down means going lower. Children, you are learning so well today. Bye-bye.
Hello friends, welcome to my school. Today, I will show you some things in my school. I love my school. My school is very nice. We come here every day to study and learn new things. Our teachers help us to read and write. This is my school van. It brings me to school in the morning and drops me back home safely. This is my school building. It is big and beautiful. Friends, now teacher will explain you more about school and the how fill the blank on the page.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are going to learn about my school. Children, this is a school. A school is a special place where we learn many good things. In school, we study different subjects, play games, and make new friends. School also teaches us good habits like sharing, helping others, and keeping our surroundings clean. Now children, look at the page. You have to fill in the blank. You have to write your school name in the blank. I hope you understand the importance of the school and how to fill the blank on the page.
Hello little stars. Do you know me? I am a cow. Look at the page, children. These are my friends. I give you healthy milk every day. We live in a farmhouse. We play together and have fun. We say moo moo. Now children, your teacher will explain this page to you.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Today we learn the number 4. Look at the picture, there are 4 cows. Let us count them again. 1, 2, 3, 4. The number 4 tells us how many cows are there. Cows live on a farm and give us milk. Now trace the number 4 carefully with your finger or crayon. Now children, keep practice the number 4 every day. See you in the next session. Bye-bye.
Hello children, welcome to your classroom. This is the place where we learn new things, share ideas, and grow smarter every day. These are my books. I read them to learn new stories and lessons. I cover my books and keep them safe so they do not get torn. This is my school bag. I bring my books, notebooks, and pencil box in it every day. I keep my bag neat and carry it carefully. This is my notebook. I write my classwork and homework in it. I write neatly and keep my notebook clean. This is our blackboard. The teacher writes on it with chalk, and we read from it.
This
is the clock on the wall. It tells us the time to study, play, and go home. We look at the clock to know when our class starts and ends.
We must take care of our classroom and keep it neat and clean every day. Our teacher will explain more.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. This is a place where we learn new things every day. In our classroom, we sit together, learn many subjects. We also share and help each other. Look at the blackboard. The teacher writes on the blackboard with chalk. We read from it and understand our lessons better. See the clock on the wall. The clock tells us the time to study, play, and go home. We should always be on time. In our notebooks, we write our classwork and homework. We should write neatly and keep our notebooks clean. We should respect our teachers and friends. Good behavior makes our classroom a happy place. Bye-bye. See you.
Hello, welcome to Rhyme. 3 magical words. 3 little words that should be heard. Please, thank you, and sorry. At school and play, at home every day.
Hello, I am a car. Look at me. I am near the house.
I am coming near to the house.
Hello, I am far from the house now. I am going far, far away from the house.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning something very easy and fun. Near means close. When something is not far and you can reach it quickly, it is near. Look at the page, the car and the house. When the car is close to the house, we say the car is near the house. Far means a long distance. When something is not close and takes more time to reach, it is far. Now look again. The car is moving away from the house. It is going far. So children, near is close and far is away. We use these words to talk about distance. Keep looking around you and practice near and far every day. Bye-bye.
Hello, little stars. I am letter V. Today you will learn about me and my objects.
Hello, I am vegetables. V for vegetables. I give health and energy.
Hello, I am a vase. V for vase. I hold beautiful flowers.
Hello, I am a violin. V for violin. I make lovely music.
Hello, I am a van. V for van. I help people travel.
Hello, I am a vest. V for vest. I keep us warm.
Hello, I am a volcano. V for volcano.
Your teacher will explain all about me and the objects on this page.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. I hope you are feeling happy and ready to learn something new today. Letter V. V for vegetables. Vegetables give us health and energy. They help us grow strong and stay healthy. V for vase. A vase is used to keep flowers. It makes our home and classroom look beautiful. V for violin. A violin is a musical instrument. It makes sweet and lovely music. V for vest. A vest is a piece of clothing. We wear a vest to keep our body warm. V for van. A van is used to travel. Many people can sit together in a van. V for volcano. A volcano is a mountain. Sometimes hot lava comes out of it. Children, today we learned the letter V and many V words.
Hello children, welcome to our school. I'm your teacher. You see me every day in your school. I teach you with love and care. This is our classroom where I teach you many subjects, telling stories and more. I teach you discipline, good habits, and how to behave well in school. Children, now your class teacher explain about me.
Hello children, welcome to our new session. Today we will learn about teachers and their importance in our daily life. Now look at the page. A teacher is a person who teaches us and helps us learn new things every day. A teacher is important because she shows us the right way and helps us become good children. You can find your teacher in your school, in your classroom, guiding you and helping you. Like me, I'm also your teacher. So children, always respect your teachers.
Hello children, I am a W. Today you learn about me and things that start with the letter W.
Hello children, I'm a window. W for window. I let fresh air and sunlight come into the room.
Hello, children. I am a watch. W for watch. I help you know the time and be on time.
Hello, children. I am a watermelon. W for watermelon. I am sweet, juicy, and good for health.
Hello, children. I am wood. W for wood. I'm used to make furniture, doors, and tables. Hello, children. I am a wolf. W for wolf. I am a wild animal and live in forests.
Hello, children. I am a windmill. W for windmill. I use wind to make energy.
Children, now your teacher will explain you more about me and object on the page.
Hello children, welcome back to our new session. Today we are learning something very easy and fun, letter W. The letter W is very useful in our daily life. We see many things around us that start with W. W for window. A window is in our house and classroom. It lets fresh air still healthy and fresh. W for watch. A watch tells us the time. It helps us go to school on time and learn good habits. W for watermelon. Watermelon is a sweet and juicy fruit. It keeps our body cool and healthy, especially in summer. W for wolf. A wolf is a wild animal. It lives in the forest and runs very fast. W for wood. Wood is used to make many things like tables, chairs, and doors. W for windmill. A windmill uses wind to make electric energy.